Yeah. First place I went to, out of business. It was some Mediterranean place now, so I just said, oh, I guess you don't have burgers anymore. And she goes, nope. I said, okay, thanks anyway. And I left. So I'm at a new place. I've been here before. It's called Family Drive-In. It's pretty good. Let's get into it. Let's head on over there. Greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. The Family Drive-In in Kent. Oh, they got crinkle cut fries. Oh yeah. Man, a real bummer about the first place. But, you know, it's business. What are you going to do? Got my favorite fry on the planet. Mmm. And I got the small too. That's a pretty good size. $2.99. Get the creme de la creme out. Okay, went with my old standard, the bacon cheeseburger. And I asked her at the counter, I'm like, do you guys put, do you shred your lettuce, or is it whole big pieces? She's like, I don't understand. I'm like, do you shred your lettuce? And she goes, oh, well, we cut it up. Yeah. And I'm like, all right, well, so here's the burger. Looks pretty good. I don't know. That is a tasty burger. So here's the burger. A little close up. Bacon sticking out of it, which I love. It looks like there's a little mustard on there. Tomato, pickle. And of course, as previously mentioned, my favorite fry. Alright, so I noticed too, they've got the same kind of sauce. It's like the third time I've run into the same sauce before. It's like a mayo ketchup blend. Oh, it doesn't taste bad. I don't know why it seems like it's like the universal mix. Alright, anyway. I'm eating my lunch. Alright, I'll bring it back. Tell you what, I enjoyed that a lot. Kind of a mess, but that's what the paper's for. Good burger. I think I'd forgotten they had crinkle cut fries. I can't help but get excited about them because I just love them. I don't know what it is. Because they still taste like French fries. It's just, I don't know. I guess I'm just a weirdo. Anyway, there'll be a link down in the description for the playlist for any other videos you want to you missed or you want to check out or watch again. Would be appreciated. I was actually going to go to Red Mill again today and get the chicken sandwich because I hadn't had it yet, and I thought about doing that today, but I was sitting online too long. Like, well, I kept saying, man, I need to get up and get going, and I said that for like an hour, so I came to a local place. It's good though, no regrets. Good burger. Would eat here again. And as always, I thank you for watching. I'll catch you next one.